Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 BMW 340i xDrive. This one's a mineral gray. For wheels we've got 18-inch multi-spoke alloys. This one also does come with the M package, which is going to give you the M wheels. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Black leather interior. M badging. Come around back. xDrive 340i badging. Open up the tailgate. Got a set of all-season floor mats. And alongside keyless entry. Harman Kardon sound system. Blue trim. Power windows. Memory seats. Power seats. Hop in. Steering wheel controls. This one also does have Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Rear view backup camera. Navigation. Hard keys for our media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Cup holders. We've got sports and eco mode. Some more hard keys for our media display. If you'd like to view more photos of this BMW 340i xDrive, check out feldmanimports.com.